Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start in Settings now. You'll need an updated iPhone, and it helps to be plugged in so the screen won't dim during setup. Once in Settings, check General Software Update to confirm iOS 17 or later. Make sure your device model supports standby. Newer iPhones do. After confirming updates and power, go back to the main settings list and get ready to access display and brightness. That's where the standby options live. Now tap Display and Brightness and open Standby. Turn the Standby toggle on. This activates the full screen info view when your iPhone is charging or on its side. Next, choose the layout. Select Clock Style, Wallpapers, and add or remove widgets to prioritize notifications. Make sure widget permissions are enabled so content updates. If your model supports always-on display or auto-lock settings, tweak them so finish by testing. Place the iPhone on its side while charging or connect to a MagSafe stand. Standby should appear automatically. If it doesn't, restart your iPhone and reopen settings to confirm standby remains enabled. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus modes aren't suppressing notifications or widgets. If problems persist, reset display settings or install any pending iOS updates. As a key troubleshooting tip, toggling standby off then on after a restart often resolves configuration hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.